Today we'll start machine learning. Okay. So basically, what is the machine learning? Machine learning comes under the data science and artificial intelligence. Okay. So within that artificial intelligence, machine learning is a subpart. So machine learning, that means the machine have to learn from the algorithm or from the solution. What will give to the instruction to the machine through the code that will be utilized by the machine. So basically the machine has to learn something from the code. So that code, it may be we have to choose the Python program. The code is Python program. Okay. So in the machine learning, there are basically three types of machine learning algorithm. One is a supervised machine learning, another is a unsupervised machine learning, and next is a reinforcement machine learning. So supervised machine learning, it contains two categories. One is a linear regression machine learning, or another is a classification machine learning. Okay. So what is the linear regression? So let's talk about the linear regression. Okay. Linear regression. That means the data set, what we give to the algorithm, that it will be linear. Okay. So linear means we know about a straight line formula. What is the formula of the straight line? That is y equal to mx plus c. So here this is x and this is the y, and that is the intercept. Intercept, that is the m. Okay. So y equal to mx plus c. That is y is the dependent variable. And x is the independent variable. That means y is depending on x. Y is depending on x. So whatever the data point, that it will be linear in a straight line. Okay. So linear regression, the coefficient is c and m is the intercept. It will go into the machine learning formula. So that formula is slightly will be changed. So what is the formula here in the machine learning? It is y equal to beta, okay, x plus c. So here beta and m, these are same, working as the intercept, and c as your intercept. So if we want to understand the algorithm, we will go a short data set. Also, we go short with a short data set. I am already told you that y is dependent on x. So if you take income as y, okay, and age as x. Okay. So okay. So here x and this is y. So I have already told you that is x is your age and y is your income. So age like you have to take 30, 35, 45, 50, likewise 60. So similarly, the income of a person or income of an employee, like this here, it will be 30,000. Here it will be 40,000. Here it will be 50,000. It will be 60,000, and it will be 70. Are you getting? So here y is dependent on x. If the age is increasing, are you getting my point? If the employee is working for the organization, if his experience and age, are you getting age? যদি গোটা লোকর এজটা ইনক্রিজ হচ্ছে, এজটা যদি বড়ুছে 30, 35, 45, 50, 60, if the age is increasing, similarly the income is also increasing. Yes or no? Okay, so these data points are in a linear formula. That means it will work in linearity. So that's why it is called as linear regression. And this is simple linear regression. It is dependent on two data points. One is your income and another is your age. Similarly, if you go for multiple linear regression, that means here the independent variable it will be increases, like your experience, age, gender. These are multiple values. Are you getting? These are the multiple values. If we give here age, then is your experience, then is your gender. Are you getting? The x have multiple value. These are the independent feature, and y it will predict. It will predict. Okay. So y is the independent. That is the dependent value. That means y is dependent on age. Y is dependent on experience. If the person's experience is also increasing, if in a company or organization, if the employee is working for so many times, 13-year experience, 14-year experience, 15-year experience, so how many experience it will be increases? Similarly, the income also increases. Salary is also increases. Yes or no? If he has 10-year experience, he is getting that is 2 lakhs per annum. If his experience is 13 years, he is getting 2 lakhs per annum. So similarly, if the experience is also increasing, here also income is increasing. Are you getting? If age is increasing, then the income is increasing. So this is called as multiple linear regression. Are you getting? It acts on multiple data value, not a single data value. It will act on multiple data value. Or here y, that is the income, that is the dependent on x. So in the supervised learning, linear regression is most important. So here the formula is slightly, it will be changed in case of multiple linear regression. So what will be the formula here? What will be the formula? In case of multiple linear regression, multiple linear regression, what will be the formula? We have to predict the y, that is the independent variable. Okay, are you getting? So here beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus beta 3 x3 dot plus beta n x. So this is the multiple linear regression. That means if beta 1 x1, you can take the age. Beta 2 x2 we can take as the experience. Beta 3 x3 we can take as the gender or anything. Are you getting all of you? So this is the multiple linear regression, that is after multiple data sets. So like here in the, it will draw the multiple linear regression. This is y and this is the x, that is the independent variable. Here we can take age, we can take experience, we can take gender, or here we can take the, so the income varies or not varies, it depends on the age. If the income varies or not varies, it depends on the experience. And the income varies or not varies, it also impact on the gender. Are you getting all of you? So this is the linear regression. That means all the data points, here the data points are there in a linearity format, increasing format. It is in the increasing format, linearity format. And the formula I have already told you, like y equal to beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus beta 3 x3 n. That is the beta n x. What is the beta here? I have already told you. What is the beta here? Beta is the slope. Beta is the slope. So according to the normal straight line formula, that is mx plus c. Okay. Likewise, if we change it to normal straight line, that is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3, so your beta is the slope, that is the slope. And this is the intercept or slope. This is called as the intercept or slope. Where the data set, it will be intercept the linearity. Okay, that is called as the, here this is the beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. Okay. 14